Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about comparing numbers. Are you ready? Let's go! Here you'll see the symbols greater than, less than, and equal to. We will be using these symbols to compare numbers. We have two groups of stars, and we see that the group on the left has 10 stars, and the group on the right has 4 stars. We need to use one of the three symbols to compare these two groups. Before we continue, just a few things to help us remember. I'd like to think of this symbol as a character with a big mouth that is always hungry. He wants to chase the bigger number. Whoa! There it goes again. This means that the open side of the symbol should always face the bigger number. And another thing to help us remember is that just like reading a book, we start on the left. So in comparing numbers, we read starting from the left, the big number is greater than the small number. The small number is less than the big number. Or a number is equal to the same number. Okay, I think we're ready to go back to our example. Because our little guy is always chasing the bigger number, where should it face? That's right, it should face left. And because we always read it from left to right, our answer should now say 10 is greater than 4. 10 is greater than 4. Did you get that right? Great job! Now let's take another example and move the stars around. Now we have 6 stars on the left and 8 on the right. Do you know where our little guy should face? That's right, it should face right. And because we are reading from left to right, our answer would be 6 is less than 8. 6 is less than 8. Good job! Now let's try bigger numbers. Let's compare 225 and 254. To answer this, let's use what we've learned from our lesson about place value. If you haven't seen it, the link to the place value lesson is in the description of this video. What we'll do is we will compare the numbers starting from the biggest place value, and this starts from the left side. If they are equal, we will move to the next until we see one being different from the other. So, 225 and 254 both have the number 2 in the hundreds place. Because they are equal, this means that we move to the next place value. In the next place value, we see that number 2 is less than 5. So that already gives us our answer. 225 is less than 254. Are you able to follow? Good job! Let's try another example. Let's compare 328 and 320. We see that they both have the number 3 in the hundreds place. We also see that they both have the number 2 in the tens place. Finally, we see that 8 is greater than 0 in the ones place. So our answer is 328 is greater than 320. Now that you've learned about the concepts, it's time for an exercise. Can you put the right symbol in these pairs of numbers? I'll show the answers later, and you can also pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Here are the answers. Did you get all of the answers right? Good job! Remember, the opening of our symbol is always facing the bigger number, and we always read from left to right. So that's it for our lesson on comparing numbers. If you liked what you saw or learned something from our lesson today, please hit the like and subscribe button. See you soon!